was you make my dream happen.
Yeah. Okay.
Appreciate it.
Alright guys, we made it to Islamorada. We're actually going through the canal. We're gonna pass by the Sandbar first, and then we're going to Lighthouse and see how windy it is. Maybe we can make it out there. See you there. We got Captain Martin in the house, right? Captain Martin in the house. He's gonna be our designated captain and our designated driver when he turns of age, right? What you got to say, boy? Are you happy to be here? Thanks for having me. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. I really appreciate it, right? Guys, we made it to Alligator Reef. It's too windy. These are probably 3-footers every 2 seconds. 2-footers, 3-footers every 2 seconds. So it's very windy. We're probably not gonna be able to stay here. Alright guys, we are at the Sandbar in Islamorada. This is actually like the second or third time that we've been here, but we never recorded like this before. Today was windy, about 11 miles per hour, so it was a little rough offshore. We tried to go to Alligator Reef and it was just too rough. So we came here. We're just gonna hang out for a couple hours and take it in. It's really nice out here. How you like the Sandbar, babe?
I love it.
Yeah?
Oh my God, yeah. It's my first time here.
Second time.
Second time? I don't remember.
But we never, last time we didn't really walk like this.
It's very nice.
So we got all the family. My sister is there with my brother-in-law. One of our best friends couples are here. Say hello. And my son, Martin, the co-captain that you already seen. And yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going to the flag. We're gonna go take a family picture of the flag and just really enjoy the day. So you usually see a lot of people bringing their dogs. Hey buddy! Hey buddy! This guy's gonna get fired today because he keeps messing up the videos.
There's no way, Jose.
He complains too much. It's too long. It's too heavy. All right, guys, we made it to the flag. We made it to the yeah. We made it to the famous flag. We're gonna take a picture here, family picture, and yep, that's what we're doing. All right, guys, we just met with some subscribers of the channel that they saw our boat coming in, so they just waved at us and, you know, say hi. They didn't want to be in camera though, but yep. So we're doing the thing. Confused. Oh, look who it is. I do know who she is, but I don't remember. She's got a YouTube channel and she fixed her own boat too. Check this out, guys. Looks like a ultralight. Oh damn, nice. Very cool. So check this out. This right here is our Seva shade. This is one of the best shades that you can have for your boat. It's so versatile. You can actually put it sideways. See? You can actually drive around 40 miles per hour, 50 miles per hour with it. We've done 37, 38 miles per hour with it. And if you strap it down, it doesn't really move, okay? And you can put it to the front. You can attach it to the side and then do your own shade on the side of the boat. If you're on the water, you can put it around the T-top, or you can actually move it to the back. You can put it here. So it's really, really, really cool. If any of you are interested in getting one of these, you can go to the website and use Kiwi 10%, and they'll give you 10% discount on those. They're usually running a discount as well. So on top of that discount, you can get a 10% with Kiwi 10%. Check them out. One of the best. Alright guys, we just met 2 new subscribers here at the Sandbar. You know, there's really cool people here. This is a really family vibe. the afternoon. Still windy, you know, but everybody is having a good time. Birthday boy!
Pero I hope this is not going to YouTube. Nigga.
Yes, it is.
No, no, no.
Oh yeah, bro. I know. Somebody's lit.
Eso para la casa. Eso
Para la casa, no las huevas. No, not today. Not today.
Eso mándalo para la casa.
Come on, dude. It's celebration. We're celebrating your birthday, so birthday boy is lit.
I'm on fire, bitches. Nigga tan sentido.
Oh. Alright guys, so it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The Sandbar is still packed, even though it's windy. People come, people go, and we're still here. Enjoying the day. Sandbar Mafia in the house!